Hello Slaters! Slaters, I hope you all have watched the introduction video of lesson 10. This lesson is all about food. Now Slaters, we eat food every day, isn't it? So can you all tell me, why do we eat food? Correct. We eat food to get energy and to grow. It is important for all of us to eat food. However, it is equally important to eat healthy food. In this lesson, we will learn about all of this. So are you all ready to take a yummy-licious ride through this lesson? Great! Slaters, please turn to page number 55 of your textbooks. Ready? Now let's look into the warm-up exercise given at the start of the lesson. Wow, this page looks yummy with all the dishes, isn't it? Here there is a list of some popular food items. It also has names of the states in the second column. Now Slaters, we all know that India is a very big and diverse country. Different states of India have their specialities in food. So let's match these famous food with their states. The first dish is Bisi Bele Bhat. Slaters, we know that Bisi Bele Bhat is a rice recipe and is popular in Karnataka. So match this recipe with Karnataka. Second one is Dhokla. Yummy! I love Dhokla. Dhokla is a very popular dish in Gujarat. Third one is Sandesh. I am sure you all must have guessed the state in which this is popular. Correct. West Bengal. Fourth one is Pongal. Now Pongal is prepared on a specific festival. Do you all know when? Correct. During Pongal. It is a sweet rice dish and is popular in Tamil Nadu. Fifth one is momos. Momos are steamed dumplings stuffed with vegetables. It is popular in cold regions of the state. So, from here you can see the cold region of our state is Sikkim. Momos are popular in Sikkim. Sixth one is Dal Bati Churma. Oh, my mouth is literally watering now. Where is this dish popular? Correct, Rajasthan. Seventh one is Sarvapindi. Sarvapindi is a dish made from rice flour and peanuts. It is a special dish of Telangana. Yes, you all must have had this dish sometime. Eighth one is Chhena Poda. Chhena is made by cooking milk. It is also called khoya. This is a sweet dish and is famous in Odisha. Ninth one is Pesarattu. Pesarattu is a crepe-like bread or dosa made from moong dal and it is famous in Andhra Pradesh. The 10th one is Makki di roti and sarson da saag. Wow! Children, sarson means mustard and makki means corn roti or bread. These both are popular in places which grow these. And where are these grown? Yes, in Punjab. So this dish is popular in Punjab. Wow, how amazing it is to learn so many things about popular dishes and different states which they are related to. Now all these yummy dishes are made of either milk, wheat, rice, vegetables and pulses. All of these components give us energy. Food in all these forms give us energy to work, learn and play. Now you all must have experienced this, that when you are hungry, you cannot focus anywhere. You get a rumbling feeling and sometimes sounds from your tummy, isn't it? This is the time when you know that you need to grab something and get a bite to eat. Our entire focus is on food when we are hungry. We run around our mothers and keep asking for something to eat, isn't it? So let's start reading about this from the textbook. Food gives us energy. We need energy to work and play. When our body needs energy, we feel hungry, weak, and tired. At such times, we cannot study, play, or work. Eating the right kind of food also keeps us healthy. Food helps us to grow tall and strong. It also prevents us from falling sick. Slaters, underline the word energy. E-N-E-R-G-Y. Energy. It means the strength to do work. So Slaters, food is all about energy. Plants get energy from sun and we eat these plants, which leads to the transfer of energy into our bodies. You all must have observed physical changes in yourself now compared to when you were in grade 1, isn't it? Can you all tell me what changes did you see? Good. Your height has increased and your weight increased too. So these are signs of physical changes. Similarly, you have also grown mentally. Now you can solve many difficult problems. When we eat food, our body digests it or breaks it down into nutrients which help our body to grow. It also gives us energy to do various things. Having a healthy breakfast gives you energy to start work early and allows you to focus in your work too. Now these nutrients also help our body in keeping away from diseases. We fall sick when we do not eat healthy food. Therefore, it is important to eat healthy food which contains all the required nutrients. Let's read further from the textbook. Different types of food. We get food from plants and animals. Food from plants. We eat different parts of different plants. The largest part of our diet and the food we eat most of the time is called our staple food. Rice and wheat are our staple food. Food items such as puris, chapatis, breads, buns and cakes are made from wheat flour or atta. They are also made from refined wheat flour or maida. Dosa and idli are made from rice batter. Slaters, underline the word batter. B-A-T-T-E-R. Batter. It means a semi-liquid mixture of flour and water. Now underline the word staple. S-T-A-P-L-E. Staple. It means something basic or important. So Slaters, we get food from two major sources, plants and animals. Rice and wheat are our staple food as we eat these most of the time. You all must be having wheat flour at home. You must be eating yummy puris and delightful parathas made of wheat flour. Wheat flour is a great source of nutrients and gives us energy. Wheat flour is made of wheat grains. It is the basic material required for making puris, parathas, chapatis and breads. On the other hand, refined flour or maida is also used for making these food items. However, maida is usually linked with various harmful effects for our body. It leads to increase in weight and causes digestive problems. Therefore, we should avoid eating maida. It is also called white poison. Slater's rice is also made on regular basis in Indian homes. We also eat idli and dosa, which is made from a loose batter of rice. Let's read further from the textbook. We get wheat and rice from plants. Rice, wheat, maize, bajra and jowar are called cereals. They are actually the seeds of the plants. The other seeds we eat are oats, peas and pulses. Chocolate is made from the seeds of the cacao tree. Slaters underline the word cereals. C-E-R-E-A-L-S. Cereals. Underline the word cacao. C-A-C-A-O. So Slaters, plants are one of the important sources of food, and we eat almost all the parts of plants. We eat leaves, stems, fruits, roots and seeds too. Wheat, rice, bajra, jowar and maize are seeds of the plants and are called cereals. One of the most yummiest thing on our planet, chocolate, is also made from seeds of cacao tree. Wow! So Slaters, with this we end our today's session. Let's recapitulate what we learned today. We learned that food is important for all of us. Food gives us energy to work and helps us to grow. We understood that we get food from plants and animals. The food that we eat most of the time is called our staple food. We get wheat and rice from plants, and these are our staple food. Rice, wheat, bajra and jowar are seeds of plants and are called cereals. We also came across new words like energy, batter, cereals and cacao. I would like you all to learn these new words and their meanings. I will meet you in the next session. Till then, keep learning. Thank you.